Holy shit, man. Fucking hell.
Okay, Gemma.
Hello, Benjamin.
So, it's been a few weeks since we've had those rides, and you've had some chances to try the kit a little bit more and to look into it a bit more. So, we've had your first impressions, which were amazing, which really they should be because it's rucker kit. And you've probably looked up rucker kit now, and you know that it's good stuff, right?
Yeah.
So, you know, is there, you know, tell us what you like about it the most. Is there anything that kind of really stands out to you? Is there anything you don't like, for example? You know, because it can't all be good, or can it?
Oh. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Just making sure the microphone does work, because last time it didn't, because somebody forgot to place it in the right place. Well done there, Benjamin. The last time I was on a bike was probably 10 years ago. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. That is ridiculous. Thought I could just go get my stomach from back there. That's sport mode on. Oh, yeah. The clothing is, I feel secure in it, but I can still move. I can breathe, which is a good thing, because this bike takes my bloody breath away. So the visor, breathing quite heavy, and it's not steaming up. Ooh, zip on my leg. Yeah, let's let some air in. So the last time I went on the bike, I could feel quite a breeze, but with this, nothing at all. I feel smart. The shape that this clothing gives you as well is amazing, ladies. It sucks you in the right places. It gives you a nice big booty. Too busy talking about the clothing. Forgot to tell him where he was going. My bad. See, complete novice here. Don't have a clue. The gloves are so comfortable. You can actually wiggle your fingers, move. And I ride horses as well, so you get the big thick gloves that, oh yeah, it might keep your hands warm, but can you grab onto anything? No? Oh, I'm feeling so warm and comfortable. It's almost like being in a nice duvet, but being able to move. I'd suffer from claustrophobia. I hate tight clothing, but this is nice, tight, snug. There's no worry of it, you know what I mean? Act natural, please. At the next roundabout, go straight over! God, the stupid grin on my face is ridiculous. So the boots I've got on are quite comfortable. I move my toes. It's got nice ankle movement. My toes are warm. I suffer from really bad cold toes. Oh, just noticed this thing on the back of old Benjamin's back. I can feel like I've got a protector thing. I want one of these big ones. This is awesome. It's funny because I can obviously hear the wind, but I can't feel it. I'm moving my hand about so I can try and get it up my sleeve. It's still nothing. So we've got water resistant, waterproof, wind resistant, warm, all in this clothing. At this roundabout, go left. No, keep going. Left roundabout. I think next time we're going to have the telecommunication in our hat, which these hats do have. I have been told. The neck strap on these, or the chin strap should I say, not the neck strap, is comfortable too. It doesn't feel too tight or, you know, when you got that horrible feeling, like, oh, my chin strap's too tight. That quick release can release a little couple of clicks and then Bob's your uncle. So my arse is literally stuck to this seat. When he brakes, it don't move. It must have some kind of grip system because this bike is rapid. Oh, you guys must get neck ache. Nodding to everybody. So, sum up of this clothing and helmet, lid. This is probably the most comfortable, breathable, warm, waterproof clothing I've ever put on. I love it. I feel safe, I feel secure, and when it was absolutely hooning it down, I was dry. The helmet, it is impossible to fog this helmet up. I'm hot under the collar, but Christ, you cannot make this helmet fog up. Why are people braking? It's just a man parked over. Walking his dog. Idiot. Sorry. Anyway, as I was saying, it's the warmth of this clothing. It's unbelievable. As in, like, we're going along and the wind's hitting you, but you can't feel it. I mean, you can hear it, but you can't feel it. And that's what I love, because I hate being cold. I hate being blown about. Prime example for today, it's freezing, but I'm warm. We're outside, the sun is shining, but it's still a little bit cold. but I'm warm and I love it. I like the fact that you can kind of tailor it to fit your body shape. You can tailor it by the little buttons here. So you've got 3 buttons, so you can have it loose or you can have it tight. You can cinch yourself in all these. There's loads of zips on the back and down the sides.
But you can make it kind of tighter or wider.
You can cinch yourself in, or you can just have it as a casual jacket. That's what I like about it.
So after Christmas, it'll be going on the other one.
Maybe. Hopefully not. I love the zips, although I did actually think that, and I'm going to say it, that the zip looked very cheap. Now I know it's not cheap, and I know it's a very good zip, and I have tested it, and it's a bloody good zip.
But you thought it looked cheap.
But I thought it looked cheap. I just thought it looked thin, and on testing it, trying to pull it apart, trying to, you know, real test its strength and that lot. But waterproof as well. Like, you don't let nothing in. The annoying thing is, me being a female and having long hair, putting the jacket on, this bit of Velcro here is great Velcro, but it sticks to my hair, and I'm, yes, the storm colour. And I only found this out by looking on the website.
Okay.
The storm colour, I don't know if I can get it, we can get it out. There's a little pocket back here. Hello everyone, Gemma here. After lambasting Benjamin for cocking up with the microphone last time out, guess what I'm doing right now? Here I'm in fact saying how handy the storm collar is, and how it can not only keep out the rain, but also the wind hitting the bottom of the helmet too. Even though I'm still to feel any wind with this jacket, I didn't even know there was one until I checked the website. And best of all, it's super easy to remove and roll back up again. Unless your name is Benjamin, of course, who is hopeless at it. I love the cut of it. It really does give females a shape, and I like the fact that it can do that. I mean, me being a non-biker, seeing motorbike clothing, you just think, I'm just going to look like a chip. And me being a female, I like to have a little bit of shape about myself, and I know most of the time I'm going to be sat on the back like this. But you know, still, that's just what goes through my head. I like the fact that I can go around and I can walk around and it would be fitted on me. It's just, they've got the shape spot on.
Okay, now you used my C3 Pro lock during the filming, but you've actually had a chance to use your own C4 now for a bit. How is it?
I love it. I absolutely love it. It's comfortable, and I'm still trying to make that visor or the screen thing fog up.
Pin lock.
But I can't, with the pin lock, I can't. It's funny because I'm there heavy breathing in my own lid. I love the colour. And the only thing I would say is just it needs a bit of colour on the outside. Okay. And I suppose you can get colours and in different colours and designs. Yeah, I was looking proper into it, and it has the little microphone bit. I know you have to buy the other bits to slip in to have the intercom, units, which is really cool because then you don't. The only add-on to it is that little. I don't know what it is. I love the boots. They're so comfortable. And my toes are warm. I like it, and I've got thin socks on. My toes are warm, and I can move my toes. You know, when you just get boots that just can constrict your feet, but I'm wiggling my toes, and I like it. I just like how this Velcro man, you could stick me through if I was covered in it. I just like it how they do up, and they're easy to put on, and same with the gloves. With the shoes, you can still move your fingers. And another thing, I looked online, and there's a 6-year warranty for this stuff, and I was like, 6 years? Get me on a bike. I don't know, I just loved it. I loved the fact, I loved being on the back of the bike. I want to be on the front of the bike, and I want to be in control of that bike.
I think we should make this happen.
Can we?
Should do it?
Yes.
Let's do it. Gemma, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So I have just noticed that I left the zip of my pocket open, put my phone in there, and it's still in there. Sweet. So I think it's about time that I get myself a bike test. I need to get on a bike. I love this. I'm loving being a pillion, but I think I need to feel and experience the whole thing. And then right at the roundabout, no, that's left, you didn't. Right! Yes! Right! 1, 2, 3!